session for chapter 1 food. In previous session we have learned about what is food, food variety and ingredients. Now in this session we are going to understand the sources of food. Okay, if we think about food, what comes in our mind? Vegetables, cereals, fruits, etc. And other things what comes in our mind are milk, butter, cheese, etc. So what do you conclude from these things? If we think deeper, then we will come to know that vegetables, cereals and fruits, all these things we get from plants, right? And here in milk, butter, cheese, all these products we get from animals. Is it? So we can conclude that our main sources of food are plants and animals. Whatever food we get, we used to get it either from plants or from animals. Here are the examples. As you can see, all the vegetables, cereals and fruits, we are getting it from plants. And milk, butter, cheese, curd, buttermilk, all these things we are getting from animals. In this, fish, meat, prawns, these are also included. Now, we can further divide this thing into two parts. The plant parts we use as food. And the second part is the animal products we use as food. As we are going to understand and learn the plant parts which we use as food, so let us first understand the plant structure. So as you can see in this diagram, we have a plant structure. We can see here, this is the layer of soil. Beneath this soil layer, we have the root system. As we can see, the roots inside the soil. So this we call as root system, and there we can have different types of roots that we will study in our later classes. Now here above the soil layer, the whole portion of the plant, we call it as a shoot system. Here we have the main parts which we are going to learn about is the leaves, the fruit, the flower and the stem. The middle part of this on which the leaves, the fruits, the flowers are attached is the stem. Okay, so this is the basic structure of plant. Now keeping this in mind, we are going to see how these parts are used as food in our daily life. Okay, so let us see the first part. So first is roots, the plant roots which we use as a food. You can see the examples here: beetroot, radish, carrot, radish. These are all examples of roots which we use in our food. Likewise, if we go to the root stem, these are the modified stems which we use in our daily food. Like this is the ginger, the potato and the onion. These are modified stems. Now coming over to the leaf which we use as a food, here you can see so many examples of leaves which we use in our daily food. You can see we have broccoli, beet greens, parsley, coriander leaves, which is most common ingredient of our food, celery, curry patta, artichoke, kulfa greens, etc. So we have so many leaves to include in our daily life. Next is fruits. Yes, definitely we use fruits to get vitamins and minerals. So here are different foods which we can use. We can eat as a raw fruit, and we can also make various dishes out of these fruits. We have apple, banana, pear, orange, cherry, grapes, lemon, peach, strawberry, pineapple, melon and watermelon. So we have a great variety of fruits as well. Now we have covered leaves, stem, roots. Now coming over to seeds. Yes, seeds. These are the seeds. In this you can see we have so many pulses. These pulses are basically the seeds of a plant. You can see Bengal gram, green gram, black gram, red gram, soya beans, fenugreek. Yes, it is used as a spice. So it is also here. Cashew nuts. This is a dry fruit, but it is a seed. We have wheat, the very common ingredient of our food. We have maize also. So all these pictures you can see here, these are seeds which we include in our daily life. Now the next part of plant which we use as food is flowers. You can see a lot of flowers over here in this chart. We have lotus, sunflower, aster, marigold, hibiscus, tulip, daffodil. All these plants, rose definitely. We can use these plants these flowers in our dishes as well. So in this way we can include various plant parts in our food. Now coming over to the next picture, as we have already divided the sources of food in our one plant parts and the next is animal products. So here you can see the different animal products which we include in our diet. So you can see milk, cheese, curd, fish, meat, chicken, eggs, fish. So these are all the things which are included in our food which we get from animals. Now here is an activity for you. Yes, this is an activity for you. This diagram which you are just having a look is of sprouts. This is green gram and they have sprouted. So what you have to do is take 50 gram of green gram, soak it into a water, then overnight. Then the next day remove the water, take that gram in a wet cloth, tie it up and sprinkle water as needed, and in 1 day or 2 days you will see the same sprouts. The small, the white colored structure will appear from the green gram, and these are then called as sprouts. As we have seen in the diagrams, the plant parts which we use are as the roots, the stem, flowers, seeds and fruits. And the animal products we get are milk, butter, cheese, eggs, chicken, fish and so on. So these are all about the sources of food we get from